Golden and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Excalibur potatoes work really well for this. Prep your spuds. Add bicarb to the cooking water to fluff up the surface of the potatoes. Prep the rosemary and garlic. I like to keep some of the tender rosemary leaves whole and chop the rest up. Once the potatoes have reached the boil, drain them. Give them a quick rinse. And a bit of a fluff up. A little bit more. Look at those edges. Have a baking sheet with oil preheating in the oven. Add a knob of butter for that touch of decadence. Place your potatoes on the tray. Turn them in the oil and make sure you get all the surfaces covered. Tilting the tray helps this. Place in a 180-degree oven for 10 minutes. Turn. Looking good already. And place back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Turn again. And back into the oven for 10 minutes. Final turn. Add the rosemary and garlic. Mix well. And back into the oven for 10 minutes. Look at those spuds. Crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside.